What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome in new video. Today's video we will pre-comment together the new color of the iPhone 30 Pro Max, the Alpine Green. Before we start the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe for the channel. First thing we have to do, we have to go on the website, the official website of apple.com. After that we will choose iPhone. Here we will have all the iPhones. We will choose the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Like you see, there is 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13, 13 SE, 12, 11, all the models. In this video I will show you how to recommend the new iPhone 13 Pro Max with the new color, the Alpine Green. So we will click on shop. After that we will choose iPhone 13 Pro Max. After that we will choose the color, the Alpine Green. Yeah, the pre-order start from 11 this month. The storage is 128. We will put no because we have no iPhone to trade in. We don't want Apple Care Plus, and we will choose one-time payment. This is all the process to recommend the new iPhone 13 Pro Max with the Alpine Green, the new color. This is it guys. Don't miss to put a like for the video and subscribe in our channel for this pre-comment. It starts from the 11, today's we are 10. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.